Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with a hit and a smash and a bang. I know people, you already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people are back in the music lab and we're with an artist that's no stranger to the channel. You already know what time we're doing it. We're here with the sixth boss himself, Mr. Whitaker, Mr. Foot. Yeah, man, we're there with Squash. Yeah, man, the dance artist known as Squash. Squash is in his veteran years, one of the most consistent, most talented, most vibes, most lyrical, just old style, just in years. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about Squash, Mr. Six Boss himself, Squash. He dropped a new song about 4 or 5 days ago called Mission, and we're going to check out the song on the music video today. Yeah, man, we're going to see if it's a hit or a miss. You know what I'm saying? Well, yeah, man, people, before we even jump in the vibes, I just wanted to take this time to go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Yeah, man, go ahead and like and subscribe button. Turn on notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. Yeah, man, you're in tune to the latest, most dopest, sickest, full of vibes reaction channel on YouTube. So just, you know, so like and subscribe so you don't miss none of my videos. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, people. But yeah, man, today we're there with Squash, Mission. I check it out and see what I'm going. I don't know, Squash, very talented, you know, full of lyrics, you know what I'm saying, full of vibes, style, you know, all that, very consistent, you know what I'm saying. Lately he's been very low key, but look like he's getting back on work for the new year, and you know what I'm saying, he's getting back into it. So you're gonna check out Squash, Mission. We're not gonna hold up the vibes much longer. Let's jump straight into the track. This is Squash, Mission. Let's get it.
Mess man, a real soldier in a fam. In a real life.
In a real life, you hear that?
From nothing to something still is it. True. Tribulation.
From nothing to something, my arm to them. Remember when I had 0 subscribers, bro? Now we growing. You know what I'm saying?
Child, I go forward, but we're strong.
Fox. Charles, I go forward, but we're strong. Yeah, man.
Only faith. Better days. Make it from the ghetto where we never change. Chatter fall every rain. Wash away every pain.
Yeah. Make it from the ghetto where we never feel. Wash away every... Come in, man.
When me was so hungry till my belly and I meditate. How much be great. You know see me boss the team drop food by every place. Never segregate. I tell me tell you straight. At the music me love so me dedicate.
Tell them straight. At the music I love so dedicate. Yeah, man, yo. You gotta do it. You gotta dedicate whatever you love yourself. You gotta dedicate yourself to it and put in that work. I'm gonna put in that work. We're gonna be the latest reaction podcast, vlogging. We're gonna take over the whole game, man. We not play with them. Let's get it.
Gone on a mission, now feel the mission. Go forget the riches and the wealth that I'm a vision.
Go forget the riches and the wealth that I'm a vision. Go forget the riches and the wealth that I'm a vision. Now feel the mission.
I was funny healing, make up $1 million. Matic by my belly and me full of ammunition. Yeah.
Easy no man. Easy no man, you know, left fit in a man. Matic by my belly and me full of ammunition. Oh, I'm telling you, I have to defend yourself. You know, got the riches, you know, because people are going to want to and come after it, you know. So if you can defend, you can't farm fool on this. Come in.
Youth for your band star, me I do it for me heart, me I do it for my dog dad. 3 fat black Benz, 9 yard, me I do it for my dog, me I do it for my farmland.
Hey. He's in a man. Come in, man. Do it for the dog. I do it for the family. Come in.
The youth for your band star. We are do it for we are do it for the family. Be a pretty girl, want fuck with. 4 for the boss and 6 Mickey Bobby.
Ooh, come in, man.
Very heavy, me in a berry. Yes, I ain't me, I'm a dark cemetery. Never necessary. So my friend enemy. That's why me strap up with the matic like military. Yeah.
Gotta stay strapped like a military in this arm to them, man. Yeah, man, can't make them come in and take 3 pints so easy, man.
Father God, listen to your son. Bible give me protection, but me not left my gun.
Father God, listen to your son. Bible give me protection, but me not left my gun. Come in, man. Hey.
Me enemy no feel me, I go run. Me a dip and dry, me matic and some of the skin a bun.
Ooh, easy though, man. Yeah, man, when me book me enemy, I feel like say, yo, me a run. Me a dip and dry, me matic. Somebody skin a go back. Boom. Come in, on to them.
Fun time I lift the dirt bike. Girl in me house I drink the liquor and I twerk like jumping at the me, but then me press out on the turnpike. Me never stress my brain. Chip chop tell me say
man jumping at the me and press up on the turnpike. To them man, easy yourself. Hey, come in.
Work life. Believe. Charge your fuck. Only fate. Better days. Make it from the ghetto where we never change. Just fall every rain. Wash away every pain.
Come in, man, yo. The beater, the flow, bro. The quality of the beat just. The bass just healthy on the beat. Come in, yo, people, let me know what y'all think about this one. Come on.
Remember when me was so hungry till my belly ache. Day and I meditate. How much me great. You know see me boss the team drop food by every place. Never segregate. I tell me tell you straight. I the music me love, so me dedicate. Gone on a mission. Now feel the mission. Don't forget the riches and the wealth that I'm a vision.
Gone on a mission. Now feel the vision. Now feel the mission. I forget the riches and the wealth that I'm a vision. Come in, man, the beat tell us doom. I like how the beat that's just doom.
Boss money land, make up a million. Matic by me belly and me full of ammunition. Every ghetto youth, me a band star. Me a do it for me heart, me a do it for me dog dad. 3 fat black pens, 9 yard. Me a do it for me dog, me a do it
for the family.
For me family. Every ghetto youth, we a band star. We a do it for we heart, we a do it
for the family.
It for the family. Be a pretty girl, want fuck with. 4 for the boss and 6 me give my bed. Very heavy, me no berry. Tears dying on me, I'm a dark cemetery.
Come in, yo, people, you know hear the song for yourself? Let me know what y'all think. Come on.
Never necessary.
Squash. Yeah, man. My thing. People. Let me know the thing about that one day. Yeah, man. That is Squash Mission. Me read that one day. That one them mad. Me not lying, people. You see me? That one they sick. You see me? One of the that dope. I'm glad to see Squash back on his vibes. You know, start dropping song for the new year. He been real quiet since Christmas and the New Year, but it seems like he's back on his vibe and he's back in his bag. So look like we're gonna be getting tunes again. You know what I'm saying? Just keep doing that thing, Squash. You know what I'm saying? You know, keep shooting star. Definitely one of the most talented and dopest dancehall artists out right now, and for the past couple of years, most consistent for sure. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, Squash, keep doing your thing, dog. Keep shooting for the stars. Yeah, man, people let me know what you think about that one. You know what I'm saying? Drop your comments in the comment section. You know, hit the like and subscribe button. Go show the artist some love and support. Let me know that Jambisco done sent y'all. Let me know that Jambisco done army lit. Come on, man. You can show some love and support. Definitely comment in the comment section what you think about this song. What was your favorite part? The visuals, lyrics, flow, whatever it is. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? In the comment section. Let's chop it up. Let's talk about it. You know what I'm saying? And definitely let me know what you want me to react to next. And I'll definitely get it done. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's music, comedy, news, just whatever is going on and you want me to react to it, definitely I'll check it out and get it done. Usually I don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.